But first I have to go all over the notes. Go. What's the first note? It means about learning about my culture. She was a poet and she wrote 2 chef books. Her favorite kid food was red rice. The main thing for red rice is you need rice. George Washington Carver, because he was a peanut man and he wanted everybody to make prints and be healthy. Picasso was an artist in France, and he made artwork like African masks. Don't forget to watch me to make my Angelo's favorite dish.